Hello guys, and welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. In this video we are not going to cook, but we are going to make this delicious yummy salad. So stay tuned so that you get to see how I will be making my salad. I have my ingredients. I have cabbage, cucumber, carrots, red capsicum, onion, and I will be dressing with salt, black pepper, vinegar, and olive oil. So let's get started. Yep. So I've already cleaned everything. I'll start by chopping them to smallest pieces. Dressing, I'll use 3 tablespoons of vinegar, at least 3 spoons of vinegar. Yeah, you can add lemon. I didn't have lemon in my case, that's why I used vinegar. Yeah, I think lemon is more better. A half, is it a half? Yeah. Salt, that is salt. And this is black pepper. I like black pepper, by the way, that's why I've added more. So I'm going to use a big spoon of olive oil, like that. Yeah, you can add the spices of your choice. I think I like the one that I've used, guys, so I just go in And this is my lunch. You can have it as a breakfast. Oh my goodness. And more better, like this one, you can mix well easily. If you try this recipe, guys, bet you'll be making almost every day, because it is addictive, it's delicious. Yeah, it's worth trying. You can also add coriander. You can mix with so many things, but mine is simple as this. And if you are skipping lunch, this is for you. This is definitely for you. If you are skipping lunch, you go try this recipe. This recipe is and share with you guys. And then I give you feedback. Let me taste with you guys. Let me tell you how delicious it is. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed this recipe. If you haven't, go try and let me know in the comment section. And thank you so much for supporting me, guys. Don't take it for granted, and support. Be seeing the next one. Love you. Bye.